Hi guys, it's Rami with Rami Tech, and I just wanted to make a quick video on using your Echo Dot or your Echo or your Alexa or whatever you call it, the Amazon thing, as a Bluetooth speaker, so that way you can play like Apple Music or whatever you want instead of the Prime Music or Amazon Music Plus or whatever they call it. So all you have to do, it's really easy, just say, "Hey Alexa, turn on Bluetooth." Searching, you go to your settings, you turn on Bluetooth, and then, no, I don't want to.
Your mobile device wasn't paired.
There we go.
In your Bluetooth settings, first forget your Amazon Echo Dot, and then try pairing again.
That's enough.
Check the device you'd like to use.
Alright, see,
sure
I don't know what,
on.
Alexa, stop. I don't know what Alexa was going on about, but there you go. It worked, it connected. Go to the music. Yup. Ooh. Alright, I don't want to keep playing that. But, yeah, Drake's the greatest of our generation. That's why I chose him. I know there's no argument. I know it's a consensus, so you guys don't need to comment about it or anything. But yeah, I just wanted to make that quick video, show you guys how easy it is, and something that a lot of people probably don't know, because I didn't know, and I had to figure that out. So yeah, it's really helpful. It's pretty cool if you have Echo in your room or an Echo somewhere and you don't want to listen to the Prime or Plus music. So thanks for watching, everyone. Please comment, like my videos, subscribe, and watch my other videos. Thanks.